This is part 2. Okay. I said part 2 just because the bow is kind of the assignment for 2. It was assignment 4 today, and then I forgot to do the left-hand setup last time. So, I forgot what these are called, cornholes, but my professor set them up, and I don't like them, but you know, they're good for a beginner.
Fair enough.
So, you don't ever touch the hair of the bow. I'm just gonna tell like important things you should know, or like the parts.
Mm-hmm.
This is like the winding, but in this case it's silicone because we have a fiberglass bow and it's cheap, like me. Your thumb, this is kind of hard to see, but this metal part,
Right.
which I forgot the name of, it's the same joint in your thumb that you use to hold the violin.
Right.
Is going straight there, so it should be angled and bent, and not like this. And you're aiming to put it right there. This is just like a guide, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And then this part, not including the metal, is called the frog. I have no idea.
Okay.
And that's the eye of the frog. I have no idea, but it makes more sense. Your ring finger goes on the eye.
Alright.
And your middle finger goes, like, rests in the hole or maybe on top of the metal, however you like to remember it. And your pinky is bent on this cornhole. So it's the top of the, barrel. You can see, like, it's octagonal, if you will. So what I'm going to have you do first is just
try to hold
you can hold it in the middle, thumb, kind of balance it, and then with the pinky, and you're going to see, like, this is where the grip comes, but there's no balance yet, so that's why I'm having.
Mm-hmm.
So
I will.
Yeah, and then try not to hold the hairs,
Yeah, so...
Maybe just thumb first, honestly, but you're going to feel like the thumb is what's holding it underneath, obviously.
Right, yeah.
Adventurous.
Yeah.
I didn't say to let go. No, that's fine. Yeah, and then the pinky's just there.
And then these fingers go here.
Mm-hmm. And the eye and the middle finger stuff with the hole is like just a guide, because everybody's hand is different, and that was more of a guide for old white men in the 1700s. So like, you fit one of those categories.
Sweet.
No. And then as for the pointer, it just lies somewhere along like halfway, maybe less, maybe more. It depends on how big your hand is, and it also doesn't matter where, as long as your
just
hand,
whatever feels comfortable.
Yeah. I forgot the name of the scientific term, but as long as your hand's twisted in towards, not your wrist, just it shouldn't be like this. I don't know how to describe. Do you know?
You want?
There's a specific term that my professor said.
Use a math term.
Basically, you want the bow to be parallel.
No, that's not my point. My point is your hand position should be twisted in. And you're going to see why. Like, if you're holding it or if you're going to balance it at the end, right? You can touch the end because there's no hair. You should be able to put pressure with your first finger. And eventually that's going to be putting pressure on, the violin. So that's why. You can just try again.
Alright, so...
If you... Yep. Nice. And your first finger should not be wrapping around and holding for life. It should be... there's different schools of thought.
Right.
But this is kind of like the formation.
Mm-hmm.
It's centered, and then you put your pinky to hold it up. Like, this is the fulcrum, your pinky is adding the pressure. At least that's how we're taught.
You should also curve your thumb, Greg.
Oh, I didn't watch for that, but yeah, that I have a saying.
Well.
Yeah. And eventually, your goal is to have the same eye collapse as first knuckle. That's actually a very common problem, so don't worry about it. But, like, eventually you want, like, a circle again. Same with the left hand, yeah. Last try.
Last try. Oh no. Here we
Take your
go.
time. Pinky and then middle and then ring. And then pointer, yeah. And actually, I'll just hold it, but can you not collapse your hand like this and relax it and let it?
Kind of like this?
Yeah, maybe even more. Actually, unbend your pinky just a little bit for you. Keep it on top, but like, let it relax more, maybe. Move the middle and ring a little farther up. Let's see. And then, again, it's like,
You might
not
wanna,
too much.
You look a little tense when you're holding it, Greg.
Right.
Yeah, I think. Actually, that's a good point. Shake your hand.
That's what I do.
Now, let it droop a little more and shake your hand. Stop. This is very close to what you want, and then that's
Okay.
what the formation of the
All right.
bow
Yeah.
hold looks like. And then you just place your pinky on top. Let's see.
So.
I think you're bending the middle finger again too much. You're trying to like do this. You can like almost. Yeah, that's good.
Is that better?
Yeah, I was gonna say your middle finger will touch the metal and the top of the rod,
Yeah.
so it will.
Yeah.
It's okay if it's flat. Yeah. So that way, when your pinky's curved, it's not like, strained. That's better. Oh, and yes, lean into it so that way your pointer's all helping.
All right.
That's better. And it doesn't hurt.
No,
or
it
feel
doesn't.
like you're, grabbing
Yeah.
it. Let me capture this before. That looks. Why do I do this in first person?
Yeah, I don't know.
Persian. Yeah. Yeah, no, that looks pretty good. And then there's some fun exercises which I'll have you do. I should have kept that. It's fine.
Okay.
To develop this like trigger finger, like when you play a video game,
Mm-hmm.
you can walk up the bow, which is super easy actually.
Okay.
With the same, like, don't end up doing this to try to help balance. Try to keep this. But walking back down, I'm not good at doing it fast, but your goal is to walk back down, and that's harder because gravity is working against you.
Mm-hmm.
And especially keeping the circle in your hand arched instead of collapsing it, and
Right.
you can try just a little bit instead of, like, we don't have the time to go all the way up the bow. Yeah, that's good. Maybe bend the, yeah.
We're doing it.
Go back down. It's gonna suck the first few times. But this is, how you would develop the muscles. Oh, one of the ways. That's fun.
There are a few ways you can do it.
All right.
And then I'm gonna fast forward because, but the other things you can do once you have the bow hold is to practice this movement and this way, maybe upside down, I don't know. Behind your back. No, so
Just like
that way,
practice fencing.
yeah, the idea is so that way you practice holding this and
Mhm.
keeping it not, so tense. Also, holding it up instead of like this. This is good for setting it so that you feel the balance point, but once you hold it up, you're gonna feel it feels a lot less like you're grabbing it.
Yeah.
If you want to do it one last time and then turn it up, and
Sure.
that'll be the end.
I mean, there's another technique you can do.
More.
Hold on.
Again, shake it out. Relax. Hold it out front. There you go.
All right.
You immediately went.
This.
It's okay.
I just hold on. It's
No,
just
shake it out
tilted
again.
in. Okay.
And hold it out. This is hard. I'm not. So you're doing great. Okay, now just like. Now you can bend these knuckles just a little bit. You're just not Yeah, just not collapsed.
Yeah.
So like this is good. Nice. And then turn it vertical. Does it feel not as painful than
It does feel a little better. Yeah.
Yeah. And then maybe you can actually, try. And that might help you just like hold the bow and how it feels to start moving the bow while keeping that hold, I guess.
think once you learn to put your thumb in between, it's gonna
No, that's advanced.
No, I know, but when you get to the advanced part, it's gonna be a lot easier.
No, it's not
We're not
easier.
there
It's
yet.
actually worse
Really?
because you're more prone to collapsing, and it's
I
harder
never
for the
experienced
instructor.
that.
No, but it's harder for the instructor to see if it's collapsing or if your first thumb knuckle is collapsing. But here, if I'm conducting, I can see it. It's still bent enough.
Is that
Oh,
better?
that's good. Yeah, that's actually better. Yeah.
Sweet. We're getting
Okay.
there.
Yay. Anyways,